Hello everyone, I am Ryan. Welcome to our English story today.
Hi friends, I am Jessica. Thank you for watching and learning English.
Today you will learn simple English for appointments and time, a 1 beginner level.
You will also hear some slightly harder B1 sentences at the end.
Please subscribe and learn with us every week. We love teaching you.
Write a comment and tell us which country you are watching from today.
Good morning, Jessica. You look busy today. How are you feeling?
Good morning, Ryan. I am okay, just a little tired today.
You look very tired. Did you sleep late last night, Jessica?
Yes, I worked late. I think today is just a normal day.
It is already 10:30. Do you have any plans this morning?
Maybe laundry and cleaning. I do not remember anything important.
Jessica, what is that paper under the magazine? It looks important.
Oh, it is my calendar. I sometimes write special things there.
Look, today you have a note at 11 o'clock. What is it?
Oh no, it is my dentist appointment at 11. I completely forgot.
It is 10:30 now. The dentist is 20 minutes away, maybe more.
You are right. I cannot arrive on time. I will be late.
Maybe you should call them now and explain the situation politely.
Yes, I must call, but my English on the phone is weak.
I can help. We can practice the call together before you speak.
Thank you. I need some simple phrases for appointments and urgency.
First, say who you are and your appointment time. That is important.
Okay, I will say, hello, my name is Jessica.
Say, I have an appointment at 11 o'clock today, but I am late.
I have an appointment at 11 o'clock today, but I am late.
Let us put it on speaker so I can help with phrases.
Good idea. I feel nervous, but I know this is necessary.
Write emergency, reschedule, and another day so you remember these words.
Okay, I write them now. They help me speak more clearly.
Remember to stay calm, speak slowly, and be very polite on the phone.
Yes, I will say, can I please reschedule my appointment?
Start with, hello, this is Jessica. I am sorry I am late today.
Hello, this is Jessica. I am sorry, I am late for my appointment.
Now ask, could we please reschedule for another day this week?
Could we please reschedule for another day this week, maybe Thursday?
So, did they change your appointment successfully? What time is the new one?
Yes, they were kind. My new appointment is Thursday at 2 o'clock.
Today you learned that clear, polite language can fix problems and reduce stress.
Yes, I see that good planning and communication really make my day easier.
Now, let us review some key appointment phrases you can use.
Repeat after me, please. I would like to reschedule my appointment.
Thank you for watching. Practice these sentences and manage your time well. Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you for learning with us today. Goodbye, friends, and goodbye, Ryan. See you soon. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Ask plans with, do you have? Do you have any plans this morning? Soften ideas with maybe laundry and cleaning? I do not remember anything important. What is it? Time words add clarity. It is already 10:30. Strong necessity with must. Yes, I must call. Ability with can. I can help. Future plan with will. I will be late. Negative ability with cannot. I cannot arrive on time. Start phone calls with identity. Hello, this is Jessica. Add an apology next. I am sorry I am late today. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Request politely with please. Can I please reschedule my appointment? Soften more with could. Could we please reschedule? Indirect desire sounds soft. I would like to reschedule. Offer flexibility with options. Another day. Add time with at 11 o'clock. Hedge choices with maybe Thursday. Keep calm and clear. Remember to stay calm. Pace your speech. Speak slowly. Be explicitly polite. Be very polite. Close politely. Thank you. I will show when to use them in real life. Greetings show respect. Thank you for watching. Good morning, Jessica. Ask feelings politely. How are you feeling? Present continuous for states. Answer with be plus adjective. I am okay, just a little tired today. Describe with look plus adjective. You look very tired. Past simple question form. Did you sleep late last night, Jessica? Past simple answer form. Yes, I worked late.